colors, games, and giggles. Come with us. Clap your hands and tap your shoe. Red and yellow, green and blue. Red is bright like a fire truck's glow. Let's find red things as we go. Apple hat and ladybug too. Can you spot something red near you? Wow! 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 Yellow shines like the big bright sun. Come on kids, let's have some fun. Banana, duck, and honeybee. Wave your hands if yellow you see. Green is grassy, fresh and cool, like frogs and leaves and a garden tool. Broccoli tree and a silly pea. Hop like a frog if you spot green with me. Oh! Oh! Whoa! Blue is calm like the sky so high, or a splashy wave saying hi. Jeans, blueberries, ocean too. Spin around if you see blue. Orange is zesty, bold and sweet, like pumpkins, carrots, and a tasty treat. Tiger tails and orange balloon. Stomp your feet to a bouncy tune. Ow! Ow! Purple's royal, fun to see, like grapes and plums on a magic tree. Wizards' hats and lavender skies. Wave hello with sparkly eyes. Pink is gentle, soft and bright, like bubble gum and twinkly light. Flamingos, bows, and a frosted cake. Blow a kiss and do a shake. Bounce, bounce, bounce on the bouncy bus. Colors, games, and giggles. Come with us. Sing it loud, don't miss the cue. Red and yellow, green and blue. Orange, purple, and pink, so sweet. Learning colors can't